Hey guys, TJ Foster here in Northern Alberta, Canada at Bear Camp. Just want to speak to you guys about some of the tools that I always bring with me when I'm going after bears with clients or myself. The first thing I need is a set of good gloves. You're dealing with a lot of a lot of bait, a lot of stinky stuff. You don't want to get it on your hands. You want to keep them as clean as you can. So a good pair of gloves is important when you're in the bush. Second thing is, bears go in some pretty rough terrain, so you're going to want a set of a good rubber boot. For some reason they like getting wet and they like going in the water, especially if you shoot one and it runs off. It'll find the wettest, roughest stuff, so you're going to want a good set of rubber boots. Next thing is a good machete. We use a machete for building our ground blinds. They work great. I don't go anywhere without my machete. It's one of the most important things as a bear guide and as a bear hunter. Always keep some rope with me. We use the rope to tie our bait to the trees. Good strong rope will keep the bear there longer. You don't want the rope just snapping and it running off with whatever bait you're using. A huge thing to have with you in your blind and anywhere you go up here is a thermocell. The bugs get pretty bad and they can run you right out of the bush, so you don't even want to sit there anymore. So it's important to have a thermocell with spare cartridges and pads to keep those bugs away and keep you sane. If you're lucky enough to have a successful hunt and you shoot a bear, it's important to have some sort of light when you're going to track. You don't want to track in the dark, that's very dangerous. So we go in when it's tough to see, so a flashlight or a headlamp is very important to bring with you. If you don't have those, I would suggest not going into the bush at all to look. If a wounded bear is in there, it's very dangerous. And if you're going to track a bear, it's important to have a compass. It's pretty thick stuff up here. You can get turned around very easily, especially if you're looking for blood on the ground, you're looking down all the time. If you were lucky enough to get a bear and you recover it, it's important to have a good skinning knife. Sometimes you'll have to skin it in the field. You won't be able to get it out, whether it's too hot, it's too rough in there, you can't get an ATV back there, it's too big to haul back. You can skin it in the field so the hide doesn't get too hot, the bear doesn't get too hot and the hair starts to slip. So it's good to pack a skinning knife with you. If you use a detachable blade, it's good to carry extra blades with you as well. And finally, I always keep a lighter in my pocket and in my pack. Find a nice spot, you can build a fire, keep yourself warm. So it's really important to carry a lighter with you at all times.